folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Monday, April 27th and Tuesday, April 28th for physical science. So we are going to be introducing our new unit today. The big thing that you're going to be doing in terms of turning stuff in is a Schoology assignment, but I also have some updates that I want to walk you through along with that. So let's go into Schoology and see what that looks like, and we'll walk through those updates together. So we're going to scroll down all the way down to the week of April 27th. Obviously, as I record this, things are unpublished, but everything should be fine when you're accessing this. So for today, you'll complete your attendance question, and then you'll take a look in the assignment April 27th, updates and outlines. So in here, I have linked the online textbook, and this actually links directly to the chapter that you'll need. It links to Unit 6, which contains Chapter 17, which we'll be using for your outline. But I want to take a look at this PowerPoint right here. In that PowerPoint, I'm going to go through some updates for you. And here we are. So here's our PowerPoint. We have no in-person classes for the rest of the year, and our schedule is going to remain this sort of Monday through Thursday classes with a Friday kind of slush day, so you get to catch up on stuff, turn in. That's where we will continue to have our work able for you to turn in, as well as some office hours for you to access us. So what does the rest of the year look like? We're going to spend about 2 weeks on the chemical reactions and the mole and a little bit of the EM spectrum. And then this last week is kind of some wrap-up time, and we'll talk more when we cross that bridge. So not too bad, only have about 4 weeks left. I think we can make it. The other thing you'll have to think about is that PhET chemistry project. So this is going to be due on the 15th of May, and you have a couple more to work on. Right now, you're going to be finishing up the molarity, and then I'm going to move this reactants and products and leftovers and move this kind of PhET your choice. So there will be some updates to the calendar, but just keep an eye out for the agendas and the screencasts, and I'll let you know which ones you should be working on. Including for this week, you should complete the molarity PhET. So, we are now in a new packet. You should have completed the bonding packet, and we're going to be working with stuff in there, including this week, the outline and the scientific notation note taker. So, in terms of grading for this unit, all of the assignments are going to go into the test category. So the outline you complete today will be worth 25 points, and the practice that you complete tomorrow will be worth 15. You'll have 2 more assignments worth 20 and 15, so 75 points total. You all have been doing really, really good work in terms of turning stuff in and asking questions if you need help, so keep up the good work. Everyone's grade should continue to either maintain or increase if you're doing these projects. So today you just have the class time to work on outline 17.2 and 17.3. As usual, this is due on Friday as a Schoology assignment, but if you finish it earlier, you're more than welcome to submit it earlier. Other than that, that's all I got for you today. We went over the rest of the year, we went over the PhET chemistry project, what are you supposed to be doing today, and exciting to be starting the last unit of the year. I hope you all are well, and we'll see you next time. Bye!